So it's been a long time, many of you are asking me for a tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to make smooth zooms effect in Capcut Mobile. So let's go. So here is our clips, you can see. First go to the first clip and add 2 keyframes. One in the starting and another in the end, like this. Now zoom the clip at the second keyframe. Make sure that the face lies in the middle, like this. Now go to the second clip and add 2 keyframes, same as the previous one. Zoom it at the second keyframe. Make sure that the face is at the middle of the frame in both keyframes. Now do the same thing with every clip. Now you can see, but the zooms are not smooth enough. Now to make it smooth, just go to the first clip and then go to graphs. Select linear and adjust it like this. Now do the same process with each clip. Now it's done. You can also add some transitions between them or do anything, it's your choice. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.